Okay, let's unpack this. AI is absolutely everywhere, isn't it?
It really is.
From automating, our mundane tasks to crafting incredible art, it feels like it's fundamentally reshaping everything we do, every industry, every role.
Mm.
But for many seasoned tech professionals listening right now, the question isn't whether AI is important. I think that's a given. The real challenge and the critical question is how to truly lead with it.
Exactly. How do you harness its immense power?
Right. Not just for incremental improvements, but for genuinely strategic business impact.
Yeah.
We've got a fascinating document in front of us today, the Corporate AI Mastery Program Outline. It's a blueprint that promises to take you from engineer to AI-driven leader in 8 weeks.
Quite a promise.
It is. And for our deep dive, we're going to analyze what that audacious promise really means for your career trajectory, for the skills you need to cultivate, and, well, for the very future of leadership itself.
What's immediately striking about this document is how sharply it identifies a critical, almost existential need in the current technology landscape.
Hmm.
It speaks directly to senior professionals who are now at a significant crossroads. Evolve their strategic understanding of AI, or, frankly, risk becoming obsolete as the world races forward.
That's a stark choice.
It is. It's no longer sufficient to merely be aware of AI's existence, or even to understand its technical underpinnings. The strategic imperative now is about understanding how to strategically implement AI for profound enterprise-level business transformation.
Right.
This truly raises an important question for many of you. How do you, with your deep technical experience, bridge that often vast gap to the strategic vision required to lead AI initiatives at an executive level?
That's precisely the challenge. And the program frames it compellingly as the challenge for senior tech professionals. It highlights what it calls an experience gap.
Interesting term.
Yeah, imagine having 20 or even 25 years of invaluable technical expertise under your belt, experience that just a few years ago was your ultimate currency. Now, AI is disrupting roles and entire industries at a pace we've rarely seen.
It's incredibly fast.
The gap here isn't a lack of talent, but a reevaluation of what expertise means when a new paradigm shifts the goalposts so dramatically. It's not a minor adjustment, it's a fundamental rethinking of career trajectories.
And building on that, the document then identifies the danger of surface-level knowledge. It makes a crucial distinction.
Okay.
Knowing how to use consumer-facing tools like ChatGPT for daily tasks is one thing, a good starting point, certainly. But understanding how to strategically apply AI in core business functions across product innovation and at an enterprise scale, that requires a fundamentally different mindset and skill set.
Right. It's the difference between knowing how to drive a car and designing an entire transportation system, like
Yeah,
you said.
exactly. A completely different level of thinking.
And this isn't an isolated problem. What stands out to me is how these individual challenges culminate in what the document refers to as a leadership vacuum. We've all been in those executive meetings, right? The C-suite demands AI adoption, they see its potential, but there's often this palpable gap, a lack of strategic AI leaders who can genuinely bridge the chasm between cutting-edge technology and core business objectives.
That translation piece is missing.
It is. It's not just a technical hiring problem. It's a profound strategic organizational challenge that, if left unaddressed, can stifle innovation and growth.
Absolutely. The core insight here is that the future belongs not just to those who build artificial intelligence, but to those who can effectively harness it.
Harness it, yeah.
It's about more than managing AI projects. It's about crafting a vision, defining strategy, and driving measurable business outcomes using AI as the primary engine.
So this vacuum is really a call to action then.
Definitely. It's a call for experienced professionals like many listening to step up and fill these critical strategic roles. It's about moving from execution to genuine enterprise-wide leadership.
Okay, so having meticulously identified these significant, multifaceted challenges for experienced professionals, the document then pivots to the solution, KaleidoSpark AI Mastery.
Right.
And what immediately strikes me is that it's not presented as just another online course. It positions itself as an intensive transformation program. For our listeners who might be considering such an investment, what are the core promises being made here?
Well, it outlines 4 critical components designed to effect this transformation, and each is worth a closer look. First, it emphasizes developing AI leadership skills, which I interpret as a deliberate move beyond pure technical acumen.
Okay, more than just the tech.
Yes. This includes mastering strategy, product innovation, and automation frameworks, specifically for tangible business results. It suggests that leadership in AI isn't just about understanding the algorithms, but understanding how to deploy them for competitive advantage.
That's a crucial distinction. It's not just about the what, but the how to strategically deploy it within an organization.
Exactly. The second component is hands-on demos with both free and premium AI tools. This signals a practical, application-oriented approach.
Get your hands dirty.
Precisely. Ensuring participants don't just learn theory, but gain proficiency with the actual tools driving the industry. The third is a capstone showcase, which is fascinating.
Tell me more about that.
It's about building a portfolio-ready AI leadership project, moving beyond theoretical exercises to demonstrable high-impact work, something you can actually show.
Okay, real proof.
And finally, career positioning, a direct aim to equip individuals to confidently step into CXO and AI strategy roles.
CXO, you mean like Chief Experience Officer, CTO, CPO, those kinds of roles?
That's the implication, yes. Those executive positions that shape the entire technological and strategic direction of the enterprise, with AI at its core. That's a significant leap from, say, a senior engineer.
That's a powerful promise, transforming an engineer into an AI-driven leader in just 8 weeks. It feels incredibly ambitious. What does that short time frame signify for you as the listener?
It's a bold claim, absolutely. And it speaks to the urgency and the highly curated nature of this curriculum. Many traditional executive education programs run much longer, spanning months or even years.
Right.
The insight here is that this program is likely intensely focused, prioritizing immediately applicable skills and a strategic mindset shift over broad academic exploration. For you, it means a disciplined, concentrated pathway to acquire skills that are not only in high demand, but directly applicable to those top-tier leadership roles, allowing you to not just participate in the AI revolution, but to actively lead it. It suggests a no-fluff approach.
No fluff, I like that. So how does this program actually deliver on that promise within an 8-week sprint? Let's look at the actual program structure, laid out week by week as a live cohort with hybrid coaching.
Okay.
It strategically kicks off not with code, but with week 1 AI CEO mindset. This immediately signals that leadership in AI isn't just about technical prowess. It's about a fundamental shift in how you envision AI driving your entire business.
Setting the foundation.
Exactly. It's about seeing AI as a strategic enabler and differentiator.
That foundational mindset then sets the stage for everything that follows. Week 2. AI-powered decision-making, for instance, focuses on strategic frameworks for data-driven leadership.
Okay.
For an AI leader, this isn't just about interpreting dashboards. It's about architecting systems where AI proactively informs critical business decisions, moving beyond reactive analysis to predictive strategy.
And the program quickly moves into practical applications. Week 3 is AI and product innovation, which is crucial for anyone building next-gen solutions. Then a week 4 focuses on AI for development, optimizing software development and testing with AI.
Yeah, that's key for the tech folks.
For our audience, who are often immersed in development life cycles, this isn't about replacing engineers, but augmenting their capabilities, finding efficiencies, and elevating product quality.
Precisely. And week 5 delves into AI for data leadership, integrating SQL and NoSQL capabilities. Now, for our listeners who are already deep in data, the AI leadership twist here isn't just knowing how to query data, but understanding the architecture, governance, and pipeline strategies required to feed diverse data types structured via SQL, unstructured via NoSQL, into advanced AI models at scale.
So it's about the whole ecosystem.
Exactly. It's about building robust data infrastructure that actively enables the intelligence layer of the organization, ensuring data integrity and accessibility for all AI initiatives.
What's also quite interesting is that it's not all technical. Week 6 is dedicated to AI ethics and governance, covering compliance, risk management, and responsible AI.
Which is absolutely critical today.
It feels more important than ever.
It is. The inclusion of ethics and governance isn't just a regulatory checkbox. It's fundamental to sustainable AI leadership. For you as a leader, this means understanding not just what AI can do, but what it should do.
Right.
How to mitigate bias, ensure transparency, and manage the reputational and operational risks associated with deploying powerful AI systems. It's about building trust and ensuring the long-term viability of your AI strategy.
Then, week 7 dives into RPA and hyperautomation for cost savings through intelligent automation. And it all culminates in week 8. Capstone project for leadership showcase and portfolio development.
And just to elaborate on that, RPA, robotic process automation, combined with hyperautomation, isn't just about automating simple repetitive tasks.
Okay.
It's about strategically orchestrating a suite of AI technologies, machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision to transform entire end-to-end business processes. For an AI leader, this translates to massive efficiency gains, significant cost savings, and the ability to redeploy human capital to higher value, more strategic work.
So it's about optimizing the whole system.
Exactly. Seeing the enterprise as a system that can be optimized and intelligently automated.
And crucially, the program specifies the tools you'll gain hands-on experience with. It lists both free tools like Perplexity, GitHub Copilot, Notion AI, and LangChain,
Mhm.
alongside professional tools such as Cursor, Claude Desktop, Mixpanel, and UiPath. For our listeners, what's the strategic value of this particular blend? Why both?
Well, this blend is vital for real-world readiness. The free tools often represent the cutting edge of personal productivity and initial experimentation, allowing for rapid prototyping and idea generation.
Mm-hmm.
Quick wins, maybe?
Right, getting started fast.
But the professional tools like Mixpanel for analytics or UiPath for enterprise automation are where you learn to operationalize AI at scale, to integrate it into existing enterprise systems, and to measure its impact.
Okay, the scaling part.
Exactly. For you, it means being proficient with both the nimble, innovative solutions and the robust, scalable platforms demanded by large organizations. It speaks to a comprehensive approach to both innovation and implementation.
So after these 8 intensive weeks, what does this all mean for you in terms of tangible, measurable results? The program highlights quantified benefits, promising data-driven results that speak directly to business impact.
Yeah, the numbers.
These are certainly compelling figures, claiming everything from faster development to significant cost reductions. 35% faster development, 15 hours saved per month, 65% faster decision-making, up to 25% cost reduction.
That's a crucial point, because while these numbers are entirely plausible, the insight isn't just in the numbers themselves, it's in understanding the levers required to achieve them.
Ah, okay. How you get there.
Precisely. For you, the experienced professional, the insight is that these aren't just aspirational targets. They represent direct business value tied to strategic AI implementation. This program is designed to equip you with the knowledge to pull those levers effectively within your organization to make these metrics a reality.
So it's about giving you the how. And what about the personal impact, the career ROI investment for our listeners? What's in it for them directly?
Well, if we zoom out for a moment, these benefits translate directly into a significant career advantage. The document points to the potential for a substantial salary uplift or a gain in consulting revenue within months of completion.
Within months. That's fast.
It is. This
Yeah.
program isn't just about acquiring new knowledge. It's
Yeah.
about transforming your productivity and significantly elevating your career trajectory with very clear, measurable impact.
Mhm.
It's explicitly designed for senior engineers, tech leads, architects, and strategic consultants who recognize that true leadership in the AI era means bridging technical excellence with profound strategic business impact.
Right, connecting those dots.
It's about moving from being an individual contributor, maybe focused on code or architecture, to genuinely shaping the future direction of your organization. The market demand for this specific type of leader is skyrocketing.
I believe it. The program also offers different pricing and engagement models, including individual programs like a launch special, a standard program, and executive coaching. They also provide corporate solutions.
For whole teams, right?
Yeah, tailored boot camps for organizations looking to upskill their teams at scale. A standout benefit across all options is lifetime access to course materials, an alumni network, and quarterly AI strategy updates.
That ongoing piece is important.
In a field that moves as quickly as AI, that ongoing support to stay current is incredibly valuable, almost a necessity, I'd say.
I agree. That continuous access and the alumni network are particularly noteworthy as the value of such a program extends far beyond the initial 8 weeks. It acknowledges that AI is not a static field, it's constantly evolving.
You blink and something changes.
Exactly. So for you, it's not just a one-off learning experience, but access to a dynamic ecosystem that supports your ongoing growth and ensures your skills remain at the forefront.
And the document ends with a powerful call to action, emphasizing that Cohort 1 has 20 seats only.
Create some urgency there.
It does. It urges you not to let this opportunity pass by, stating that the AI revolution is happening now and that leaders who act first will define the future of their industries.
This really reinforces the core message, doesn't it? It frames this program not just as an educational opportunity, but as a strategic career move within a rapidly closing window of opportunity.
Yeah.
It's highlighting that being proactive now isn't just advantageous, it's becoming a prerequisite for leadership in the AI era. You kind of have to make a move.
What we've unpacked today by deep diving into this corporate AI mastery program outline clearly reveals a detailed blueprint for experienced tech professionals to not just navigate the AI revolution, but to truly lead it.
Hmm.
It's about transitioning from a technologist focused on execution to a strategic, AI-driven executive armed with a powerful demonstrable skill set and a portfolio to prove it.
So this raises an important question for you, our listener. How do you envision yourself stepping into this new era of leadership? Are you merely managing AI projects, or are you truly leveraging AI to fundamentally shape the strategic direction of your organization or your next big role?
That's the key difference.
It is. What does it truly mean for you to redefine your career through the lens of AI leadership in a world where the gap between knowing AI and strategically implementing it is rapidly widening? Consider not just the skills, but the mindset shift required for that leap.
It's about making a conscious choice to transform your career. Lead with AI, drive business impact. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive. Until next time, keep digging, keep learning, and keep leading.